Imagine a land where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern innovations. A country renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, progressive social policies, and economic stability. But what lies beneath the surface of this Scandinavian gem? Today, we uncover the hidden stories, untold facts, and fascinating history of Sweden, a nation that has shaped the world in ways you might not expect. From its Viking roots to its social welfare system, let's dive into the heart of Sweden. Land of innovation, natural beauty, and a commitment to social welfare. Known for its vast forests, archipelagos, and vibrant cities, Sweden blends tradition with modernity. From its Viking roots to its role as a global leader in technology and sustainability, Sweden offers a unique blend of history, culture, and progressive values. Let's explore what makes Sweden truly special. Sweden's history stretches back to the Viking Age, marked by exploration and trade. It unified as a kingdom in the 12th century and became a major European power in the 17th century. In the 19th century, Sweden adopted neutrality, avoiding involvement in both world wars. Today, Sweden is known for its strong democracy, social welfare, and active role in international diplomacy and peacekeeping. Sweden's culture is characterized by a mix of traditional customs and contemporary influences. It is home to iconic exports like ABBA, IKEA, and Volvo, reflecting its innovative spirit. Swedish cuisine emphasizes fresh, local ingredients with dishes like meatballs, herring, and cinnamon buns. Fika, the custom of coffee breaks, reflects the country's appreciation for balance and community. Sweden also has a vibrant art scene, from literature and film to design and music. Sweden is renowned for its strong social welfare system, offering free healthcare, education, and a robust safety net. It is a global leader in gender equality, with progressive policies on parental leave and workplace equality. Swedes value work-life balance, nature, and environmental sustainability, with extensive green spaces and a commitment to renewable energy, particularly wind and hydropower. Sweden boasts a stable and diversified economy, driven by advanced manufacturing, technology, and services. It is home to multinational companies and a thriving startup ecosystem, especially in tech hubs like Stockholm. Sweden's economy benefits from a high level of innovation, a skilled workforce, and sustainable practices. It is a pioneer in digitalization and green technology, investing heavily in clean energy solutions. Sweden plays a significant role in global affairs, known for its humanitarian efforts and commitment to human rights. Its education system emphasizes accessibility, with free higher education and a focus on research and innovation. Swedish cities are known for their high quality of life, efficient public transport, and sustainable urban planning, making them some of the most livable in the world. Top 10 unique aspects of Sweden. 1. Northern Lights, a natural spectacle visible in the northern regions. 2. Allemansrätten, the right to roam freely in nature. 3rd, Midsummer, a major celebration of the summer solstice. 4. Ice Hotel, the world's first and largest hotel made of ice and snow. 5. Sauna culture, a traditional part of Swedish life. 6. Vikings, a rich heritage of exploration and seafaring. 7. Green innovation, leaders in sustainable and eco-friendly technologies. 8. Stockholm Archipelago, a vast collection of islands offering natural beauty. 9th. Fika tradition, coffee breaks that emphasize social connection. 10. ABBA Museum, celebrating the legendary pop group in Stockholm. As we come to the end of our exploration of Sweden, it's clear that this Nordic nation is more than just a land of beautiful landscapes and Viking lore. Sweden's commitment to social welfare, its economic resilience, and its cultural richness make it a fascinating study in how a country can successfully blend tradition with modernity. From its historical roots to its forward-thinking society, Sweden continues to inspire and influence the world in numerous ways. Thank you for joining us on the Cone Factory. If you enjoyed this journey through Sweden's past and present, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more historical insights and fascinating facts. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.